Hello viewers, in this video I would like to discuss about a paper which is about sentiment analysis on Twitter data using machine learning algorithm in Python. This paper was published in 2018 in International Journal of Engineering Research in Computer Science and Engineering. They have discussed about machine learning. um, they have mainly discussed about the machine learning, natural language processing, Python, and sentiment analysis. I like this paper because they are really interesting. We discuss about the applications of challenges, challenges and application in sentiment analysis. So let's see what they said inside of the paper. So in this paper, the most popular microblogging platform, social network Twitter is used. The Twitter sentiment analysis is an application of sentiment analysis on data from Twitter to extract users' opinions and sentiments. In this paper, the main goal was to explore how text analysis technique can be used to dig into some of the data in a series of posts focusing on different trends of tweets language and tweets volume on Twitter. And uh, they said that experimental evaluation shows that the proposed machine learning classifiers are efficient and perform better in terms of accuracy and time. The proposed algorithm is implemented in Python, and they say that still there is a huge scope of improvement of this existing sentiment analysis model. Existing sentiment analysis model can be improved for further more sentiments and common sense knowledge. Now, we have a question like what is actually the sentiment analysis? They mention it very clearly that sentiment analysis is the process of deriving the quality information from text. That is the process of deriving the structured data from unstructured data. This is used to measure the opinion of customer feedback, product review, or some valuable information from a paragraph or something. Now, unstructured data are difficult to handle. They are mainly table, figures, emails, PDFs, Words files, e-commerce website, and social networking site. On structured data, analytics operation can be easily performed and the result can be obtained easily. In this paper, only they looked at the microblogging called Twitter. The methodology has 5 steps. They are data collection, pre-processing, feature extraction, feature selection, and classification. So for the data collection, they used this Twitter API, a Python wrapper for performing API requests. After that, they use this data pre-processing, and for that, first they convert all the um, upper cases letter to the lower cases letter, and then they did the tokenization, which is generally done by installing NLP package in Python, and then they use the emotic replacement, which emoticons are very important in determining the sentiment. After that, they remove the stop words, the unimportant words, that is that uh, are this kind of preposition is conjunctions are the stop words sometimes. That means the unimportant words in the sentence are called stop words. After that, selection of useful words from the tweets is called feature extraction. There are three different types of feature, namely unigram. Single words is called unigram, and then there is bigram and n-gram. So n-gram can be like word number is 1, 2, 3 to n. And parts of speech tags such as like adjective, adverb, and verb and noun are good indicator of the correct feature selection technique. They can categorize into four main types, namely natural language processing, um, statistics, clustering, hybrids. Machine learning is the study of algorithm that can learn from and make prediction on data. It is also called related to prediction. They use these two techniques, especially naive-Bayes algorithm and the neural network algorithm. Naive-Bayes algorithm is one of the most improved classifier methods, where the neural network is another important tool for classification. It is has also been a promising alternative to various classification words. The artificial neural network is trained with level data to produce meanwhile meaningful output. The processing by which neural network from level data is called as backpropagation. The most important part of this paper is they have nicely discussed about the applications of or why the opinions, feedback, social feedbacks are necessary. This uh, part. So they said that opinion-based or feedback-based applications are very useful nowadays. The natural language processing communication shows much interest in sentiment analysis and opinion mining. Mainly they are used in large company and government. So how they are used, the sectors are like purchasing product or service. Let's see in paper they said how they discussed about um, they said like purchasing product. So purchasing product is a very while purchasing a product or a service, taking right decision is no longer a difficult task nowadays. By depending on the opinion of other people can take a decision, is this a good product or not. And then quality improvement in product, the company wants to have, if they wants to have to improve their product, they just take the opinion of their customer from the social network and then they improve the product. Then there is called marketing research, they use it, this sentiment analysis, recommendation system, decision of flame opinion, spam detection, policy making by government for their citizens, what they are actually wants to know. There is decision making based on the opinion mining and sentiment analysis gives analyzes people's opinion that can be effective usually for decision making. The main challenge that are uh, faced by sentiment analysis include um, these are the challenges they say like detection of spam and fake reviews. This can be a challenge for sentiment analysis, then limitation of classification filtering and etc. Natural language process is overheads. So thank you for watching this video.